go with the Harry house. Oh my goodness!
Apples.
Yes.
Yeah.
This house is apple pie.
Yeah.
100%. It is Americana, Cape Cod, classic.
The new one does the exact same thing as the first new one.
We were just thinking long term, and
There is definitely a problem
Well, next you
with
know where you can come and get your seafood. Exactly.
this.
This is what I'm most excited about. This house is in good shape. I really can't wait to, sink my claws into it.
this was
It starts there. There's just a complete difference.
If you're having issues, and it'll say on the V app or whatever, there's no water, and it'll have like that red button there or something, the essential oils might be blocking it. So I washed it, I cleaned it and everything, and now it's fine. The numbers would, the number on here would only go like to 50 or like 55. I have it set to 60. And now the room's at 85. It works. I have it on auto. If that's just, it'll help anybody, because I know some reviews were saying that it wasn't working. And when I Googled this brand, and I was wondering why it would stop working, the essential oils. So maybe I'll actually read the manual and put the essential oils on this little cap here, and not in the water, because it's going to clog here.
I love this little humidifier. So it is so small, and yet you can see it working so hard right now. It is really easy to refill. I love that you can see how much water is left. And then also, whenever you need to refill it, you can just stop it, and you can take off the top. Super easy to clean the inside. You just remove it and refill, and then you are done. And it is so, so nice and convenient. I also love that once you get to a certain humidity, it automatically stops. And so what that means is that, especially once you get your apartment, your home to whatever humidity you really want, you actually have to refill it less frequently, which is really wonderful. Love this, couldn't recommend enough. It's just so cute in my space, and really does the job.
Está apagado.
Mom, eating this reminds me of things that just stuck over our house for a long time.
Alexa, can you turn on the humidifier? Alexa, can you turn off the humidifier?
Il clima nella baia di Fundy è piuttosto instabile e può cambiare in battibaleno. La nebbia improvvisa può disorientare e